Multiplexer. Today's topic: subject Digital Electronics, subject code EE493, EC Department, Narula Institute of Technology. Subject taken by Shongita Roy, Ornima Dash, Atanuva Dedar, Dekha Mojumdar. Multiplexer. Multiplexing is the property of combining one or more signals and transmitting on a single channel. This is achieved by the device multiplexer. A multiplexer is the most frequently used combinational circuits and important building block in many digital systems. These are mostly used to form a selected path between multiple sources and a single destination. A basic multiplexer has various data inputs and a single output line. These are found in many digital system applications such as data selection, data routing, logic function generators, digital counters with multiplex displays, telephone network, communication systems, waveform generators, etc. In this work, we are going to discuss about types of multiplexers and its design. Next slide. Multiplexer types. There are different multiplexers. Majority are 4 types. 2:1 multiplexer, 1 select line. 4:1 multiplexer, 2 select lines. 8:1 multiplexer, 3 select lines. 16:1 multiplexer, 4 select lines. This is a 2:1 multiplexer. Now this is the block diagram. Left side is the block diagram of 2:1 multiplexer with enable gate. Enable is an extra precaution gate which makes the circuit enable or disable according to the input. It may be active high, it may be active low. If it is active high, then 1 to working condition and 0 to inactive. Whereas in logic, low, 0 to active and 1 to disable. And the inside configuration is when select line is 0, then D0 line is connected to the output. And when select line is 1, D1 line is connected to the output. So this is a block diagram, and the right hand side, the above picture shows a NAND gate design of this 2:1 multiplexer. And the below is the truth table. Now 4:1 multiplexer. Same enable gate, 0 to active or 1 to active depending on what type of logic we are using. And 4:1 has 4 input, 1 output and 2 selection lines. Because this selection line is generated depending on number of inputs. Means 2 to the power n is the input, then n is the number of selection line. So according to this principle, if there are 4 input lines, so 2 to the power n is equal to 2, so selection line be 2. If there are 2 selection line, there is possibility of 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 according to digital principles. So when it is 0, 0 line is selected, corresponding input selection is D0 and all other input line is inactive and D0 is connected to the output line. When it is 0, 1, so D1 is connected to the output. When it is 1, 0, D2 is connected to the output. When it is 1, 1, D3 connected to the output. Right side is the universal logic NAND gate digital circuit and corresponding truth table. Now the application. Multiplexers are capable of handling both analog and digital applications. In analog application, multiplexers are made up of relays and transistor switches, whereas in digital application, the multiplexer are built from standard logic gates. When the multiplexer is used for digital application, it is called a digital multiplexer.